Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and Bingo during Easter. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw Bluey. I draw her eyes, her nose, and her mouth. After her face, I continue with her eyebrows. She has a bow on the top of her head. She is wearing a cute bunny costume. Now let's draw her body. And she is holding a cute bunny plush toy in her hand. She also wears a bunny-shaped bag. Cute outfit! Finally, I draw her legs. Now let's draw Bingo. I draw her eyes, her nose, and her mouth. After her face, I continue with her eyebrows. She has a bow on the top of her head, too. She is wearing a bunny costume as well. Also, she has a bunny plush toy. And a bunny-shaped bag. Finally, I draw her legs too. Cool! Now let's draw Easter eggs around them. And a line for the ground.
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I start to color Bluey. I color her nose black. Then I use cream and light red for her mouth. Then I color this part dark blue. Then I use light blue for the rest of her fur. And this lighter shade here and here. For Bluey's bunny costume, I use light brown. Her bunny plush is going to stay white, and I color her inner ears pink. Then I color this bunny-shaped bag pink and fuchsia. Oops, I forgot her tail. Then I add some pink for her bunny too. And I color her bow fuchsia. Now let's color Bingo. I color her nose brown. Then I use cream. And this brown marker for her fur. Cream. Lastly, I use this light brown color. I color Bingo's bunny costume gray. Then I use pink for her inner ears. Her bunny plush is going to be this color. Then I color her bag light purple and purple. And also her bow. For the eggs, I use rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. Then I colored the grassy ground green. And I add some light blue in the background.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.